Yo, what's up guys? This is Whadafunk Stories, week 14, and right now we're just chilling outside, getting some fresh air, about to do a little photo shoot, and then after that we're gonna hit up the studio, do some spring cleaning, go through some stuff, clean up a little bit, you know, get ready for the summer coming. I just want to say thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe to the video, and also shout out to everyone who bought the new Whadafunk shirt. I really appreciate all your guys' support, so stay tuned for the vlog. Alright guys, back in the studio. Let's clean this up now. Got stuff all over, need to sweep and stuff, and then we're gonna reorganize this a little bit. Yeah, so here we go.
That's the hashtag, time lapse everything guys. He blow dries the dust into the corner. It's smart. It's a good tactic. The first time I'm seeing this.
I'm like, what the fuck are you doing?
Just blow drying dust, guys.
You just sweep it around, blow drying the floor.
It's entertainment.
Like, why don't you go back?
Everything's cool time lapse, Robert. You can sleep in a rug.
Alright guys, so I'm just folding all the clothes right now, getting everything organized. Yep, just boxes full of like spring, summer, last year designs. We still have some pieces left, so we're just organizing all these shirts, getting everything together. We got a lot of like one small here and one large there, this, that, the other thing. So we're just getting everything organized, seeing what we got. That way we can update the website. We got a couple of the summer designs, like I said, the last summer designs, because you know we were supposed to do a lot of pop-up shops and that didn't happen. So now without pop-up shops we have to take everything to online, which we were online before, but now we are trying to spice up our branding online more, and that's why we're doing a lot of giveaways and stuff. And also we'll do a giveaway on this YouTube video, so everyone leave a comment and like the video, and we're gonna pick a random winner, and the random winner is gonna get one of these shirts. One of these shirts on this table. Let you guys know which one it is. Just leave your size in the comment. That's all you gotta do. Just write your size in the comment, like the video, and we're gonna pick a winner on our Instagram. So stay tuned for that. Hope everybody's seen this video so you guys could have a chance at winning a free shirt from us. This is from our summer line. I know a lot of you guys are new following the brand, so I want to show you guys some of these designs that we've worked on. And we have a couple of random sizes left. We might have your size in stock. This design is all hand-drawn lettering. Then we did this hand-drawn lettering too, and it's in reverse, but I'll tell you guys a little secret. When we designed this, these were like this, and then we drew this straight, and then we flipped it in Photoshop to get the reflection. So I like everything is nice and clean here, and everything is like all like swishy on that side. On this one we actually mixed our own ink and got this, you can't really pick it up on the camera. In the light it's a lot better in the sunlight, but we mixed regular blue and black, and we made this Yankee, like a natural shirt color with like a Yankee blue, kind of the old school Yankees feeling, some New York stuff. Yeah, then we made that in black too. But yeah, these are all just shirts from last summer. Just random sizes we have left. These would have been gone if we had our pop-up shops like we were supposed to. But, you know, things happen. You gotta stick around. This is from the Dolls Kill. This shirt was only available at Dolls Kill, so, and it's sold out with the quickness. If you were lucky enough to get one of these shirts, you were really lucky. Whatever, forever. This is one of my favorite designs. We also made a GIF of this, so if you guys have Instagram, just go to GIF section, type in Whadafunk, and you could use this GIF in any of your Instagram stories or anything that has Giphy. And also, just a shameless plug, our Whadafunk GIFs have been used by 500,000 people so far, which is crazy because I was not expecting 500,000 people to be using our designs in their Instagrams, so that's really cool. And if you used it, appreciate it. So, and if not, just check it out. Go to the Instagram, the GIF section, type in Whadafunk. We sold this in our summer line, and it was actually available in Dolls Kill. Misunderstood. I love this design. I actually referenced this design from a drawing that I seen in a book when I was in Barnes & Noble one day. I had to wait there for somebody, and I was just chilling, and I seen like something similar to this style, and then it was like a cool tongue, so I was like, that's sick. I was like, I think it'd be cool to put Whadafunk on the tongue, and like, I don't know, should I get a Whadafunk tattoo on my tongue? I feel like that'd be sick.
Can we put a vote on this on the YouTube?
Whadafunk tattoo on the tongue.
Vote yes or no.
Oh, we actually have 2 more of these. I know someone recently asked me about this. If you asked me about this, hit me back up. I forgot. This is the 420 Whadafunk bandanas. We made these for 420. We got like 1 or 2 left. This right here is, this whole box is all our display stuff. This is our mug. I showed it on the video before. Yeah, we reordered these because everyone loved them so much. They're on the website, of course. And then we also made this decal to go around the box like this. Your box will come out better because this is our just display one that we bring to and from shows. And in the summer, we usually do like 20 shows. Every single weekend we do a show. This is a favorite. I know you guys, if you've seen all this stuff before, I'm sorry, but if you're new, check it out. We made these sunglasses, which I'm not sure if there's any more of these left. You got to check the website. This might just be our selling pair for when we do shows and stuff, because we do a lot of shows. Let me know in the comments you guys want more sunglasses for the summer. Might make them again. We made sunglasses, so I was like, you know, I feel like people need a case, and this is my first time sewing something like this, so it was cool. It has Velcro, closes the case, that way your glasses stay in there, and it's nice felt on the inside, that way they don't get scratched up when they're in there. This was fun to make, really fun one to make. This right here, Whadafunk Red Rose strap back hat. This was only available at Zoomies, and they sold out of this. So we still have a couple. We bring them to the shows and stuff, and you know, sell them at the shows, stuff like that. Yeah, I love this design. These are some samples we send out to stores. So if you know any stores that want to get Whadafunk or are looking for cool brands to carry in their shop, tell them to hit us up. And if you plug us in, we'll hook you up. Reorganizing, you know, giving everything a fresh new look. It's been the same for a little bit, so I might as well just reorganize things, get everything new vibe, same stuff, new vibe. time watching the cleanup, going through the vaults and stuff. So just moving things around over here now. And then after that, I got something special for you guys. First, check out all the cleanliness. Probably doesn't look like any difference on the camera, but alright, so first, thank you guys for watching till this part, and this is YouTube exclusive. We didn't tell anybody about it yet, but we've been working on some Animal Crossing shirts for you guys, and working on a couple designs right now. We got the wild tank top right here. Check that out right there. This is a YouTube exclusive. We didn't tell anybody we're working on this, so get ready. These are coming out real soon. Got the Whadafunk skull so far right here. Working on these right now. These are going to be free soon for you guys. And I'm excited. I'm excited to show you guys this. Stay tuned for the Whadafunk Animal Crossing shirts. You've seen the vaults of all our shirts that we got. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your support. Like and subscribe to the videos. We need those subscribers. If you're watching this first time viewer, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, we're doing the giveaway, so leave a comment with your size, and we're going to pick a random person who comments on it with their size, and we're going to send them a free shirt. So make sure you like the video, leave a comment with your size, and you have a chance to win a free shirt. It's really that easy. Appreciate all you guys. Stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for next week. Who knows what could happen. Peace. What is week 14?
Yeah.
Crazy. Zoom in.
I'm gonna go run up on him.
No, he's going to run away. Just zoom in. See? Now you made him run away.
Yo, Duck. Duck, we're cool, bro. We're cool. We're cool. Come on, man.
What's up?